I saw your question on discussion board. Find the indicated area under the standard normal curve. To the left of z equal 1.73. Well, there's several ways you can do this: by hand with a table. You can do it with StatCrunch or the calculator. I just chose StatCrunch. It's a very nice visual way of doing it. And so I guess, how do you access that? You click on the Stat button, Calculator, and select a normal calculator, and then this window pops up. Since it's a z-score, I mean that means it's the mean 0, standard deviation is 1, and we want less, the area to the left here, so you're less than or equal to 1.73. So you just put this number in, click compute, and it gives you an answer, which is 0.958 I guess. No, it would be 2.9582. So you can use StatCrunch. Again, that's Stat Calculator. Select the normal calculator. By default, it'll have 0 and 1 in there. Since it's a z-score, that's what you would want. And you just want the area to the left at 1.73. And then hit compute, and this number will appear. Hope this helps.